Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss about the Accenture on campus 2024 batch syllabus. So this is an test pattern and syllabus of Accenture 2024. Firstly, in the first round is about the written test. So this is the written test in which in the written test there are total 19 questions and the time duration is only 19 minutes. And in the written test, verbal ability question have 17. Then critical reasoning 18 question, abstract reasoning 15 question, common application 12 question, pseudocode 18 question, network security 10 question and the total time duration is only 90 minutes. So आपको इसमें 1.5 घंटे में 19 question complete करने हैं written test में. And the next round is when you clear the first round then you have to go to the second round and the second round is coding round. And इसमें 2 question रहेंगे आपके. In the coding round there are total 2 questions and the time duration is 45 minutes. इसमें एक क्वेश्चन के लिए 30 मिनट रहेगा और दूसरे क्वेश्चन के लिए 15 मिनट रहेगा. तो इसमें टोटल 2 क्वेश्चन है और टाइम ड्यूरेशन 45 मिनट है. और इसमें आप लैंग्वेज चूज़ कर सकते हैं कुछ भी, C++, जावा, पाइथन, .NET. आप किसी भी चीज़ में आप कोडिंग कर सकते हैं जिसमें आप कंफर्टेबल है. सो देर आर 2 क्वेश्चन फॉर द कोडिंग राउंड इन एक्सेंचर एंड द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज़ 45 मिनट. And the next round is communication test, and in the communication test there are total 63 question and the time duration is only 20 minutes. इसमें स्पीकिंग स्किल्स के रहेंगे 2 क्वेश्चन, स्टोरी रिटेलिंग स्किल्स के रहेंगे 3 क्वेश्चन एंड लिसनिंग स्किल्स के 16 क्वेश्चन, रीडिंग स्किल्स 8 क्वेश्चन, Q&A 24 क्वेश्चन, सेंटेंस जम्बल 10 क्वेश्चन. सो टोटल टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज ओनली 20 मिनट एंड द टोटल question is 63 minutes for the communication test. And once you clear the first round then you have to go to the second round, then similarly third round. And the syllabus and topic for the verbal ability and critical reasoning are: in the verbal ability you can prepare for the Accenture from sentence correction. You can see the question from preposition and grammar, reading comprehension, synonyms and antonyms, idioms and phrases, speech and lenses, sentence selection, spotting error, sentence arrangement, article. And the critical reasoning syllabus is arrangements, world relations, statement and conclusions, coding, decoding question. You can see the question from agree and disagree. You can see the question from piezometric, analogic, integrated meaning, logical sequence. So these are the critical reasoning and verbal ability syllabus. And the abstract reasoning and common applications. In the abstract reasoning you can see the question from visual reasoning, flow charts, inductive reasoning, deduction reasoning, directional sense, sitting arrangement. And in the common application, command prompt, browser basics, working fundamental, MS Office, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, Outlook. So आप यहाँ से question देख सकते हैं. These are very basic questions, not that much tough. And shortcut keys, working flow of keys. These are the common application questions. You can prepare from there. And the syllabus for pseudocode and network security. You can see the question from C++, Java, Python, DSA. Data structure and algorithm are very important for the Accenture. And you can see the question from pseudocode. And the pseudocode question is very basic, not that much tough in the Accenture. And the network security, firewalls, network security devices, basics of networking, encryption and algorithm, security devices, attack types, cloud data provider, cloud data centers, basic fundamental of cloud computing, cloud service platform. So these are the network security syllabus. And the important point I will mention here about the exam in Accenture. When you are going to conduct, when Accenture is going to conduct the on-campus exam for 2024, there are some things that is the Accenture is following. Accenture is using CoCubes as a platform assessment. So Accenture का जो एग्ज़ाम होता है वो CoCubes प्लेटफॉर्म पे होता है और इसमें देर इज़ नॉन नेगेटिव मार्किंग, इसमें कोई नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है और इट इज़ नॉन एडेप्टिव. एंड इंटरसेक्शनल नेविगेशन इज अलाउड, इंट्रासेक्शनल नेविगेशन इज अलाउड. इंटरसेक्शन मीन्स आप एक दूसरे सेक्शन मतलब सेक्शन के अंदर ही आप जो मतलब आगे पीछे कर सकते हैं क्वेश्चन को. और इंट्रासेक्शन मीन्स आप जैसे ही एक राउंड होता है, फर्स्ट राउंड सेकंड राउंड, तो आप पहले सेकंड राउंड के क्वेश्चन भी कर सकते हैं और फर्स्ट राउंड के भी. ये अपनी चॉइस पे डिपेंड है. सो इसमें नेविगेशन अलाउ है, इसमें कोई भी नेगेटिव मार्किंग है नहीं. सो दीज आर द CoCubes असेसमेंट. It is very easy, not that much tough to clear. So thank you guys, please subscribe.